doesn't stop happening. Even in busy residential areas, attacks are frantic, cruel, and unpredictable. Final victories, the loyalty and bravery of dogs or the wild instincts of leopards. Let's watch it together. Chances are, the leopard is caught in the fence, surrounded by dogs, and attacks frantically. However, with wise skills, leopards easily catch a dog and warn them to set an example. Nothing can stand in the way of these dogs' teamwork. Dashed like an arrow towards the jaguar and attack furiously. Although dogs can't be as agile as jaguars, but with overwhelming numbers of dogs, the jaguar is difficult to counterattack. It finds a way to escape. Perfect control of the stray dog. It seems that this leopard habitat is threatened, causing them to cross a concrete wall into a residential area to hunt. Great speed fight. The brave dog attacked the lion and walked away like nothing happened, making the lions not stop surprised. Face to face, the size of these two wrestlers are quite similar. The dog was noisy, making the leopard quite uncomfortable and turned to leave. Unbelievable! This dog is attacking and screaming at lion's face. The bravery of that dog made the zebras behind him not howl, but admire, like a leader. Surprise ambush. The leopard nimbly bit straight into the neck and gradually took the life of this unfortunate dog. Cold dog, dragged by the leopard to a high tree to avoid predators. Silent and stealthy, this leopard is trying to get close to the domestic dog. Although dogs have good hearing, but they cannot compare with the quiet hunting of leopards. Catch the perfect prey. Catching the miss, this leopard is confused with everything. When the dogs rush to attack together, the leopards quickly regain their composure, showed their bravery, and chase away this group of amateur dogs. This dog is quite wary of intruders outside the gate, but knowing in advance won't help. Leopards are so big and agile, they can easily cross the fence and take the dog away. Walking lightly, the leopard caught a domestic dog in its sleep. The incident happened so quickly that the man who witnessed the scene couldn't stop being shocked. This leopard jumps easily over the fence, infiltrate, and attack. Very lucky for the dog, it fought bravely and was lucky to be rescued in time by the owner. Sensing danger, the dog immediately ran away, but it cannot escape the cunning of the leopard. Caught and lost his life on the front porch. No one nearby noticed the dog had been captured. Leopard is a true master in the art of stealth. A frantic counterattack. Apparently, the beloved owner's leash prevented the dogs from fighting. Sneaking deep into the house to hunt. Very decisively, the leopard's precise bite to the neck took the dog's life. It is not safe. It is a mistake to let a dog that is too small to sleep outside the house. Catch and walk proudly. One versus two. Leopards attacked so suddenly that the dogs did not have time to react. It sucks when friends stand by and don't help. The mountain lion is an extremely powerful predator. Even a Doberman can be easily caught by the mountain lion. Unexpectedly, the Doberman was still alive after the mountain lion attacks. This dog is showing bravery to an injured leopard, but the man won't allow it and tries to save the leopard's turds.
Even though it's just a joke. It's interesting to see how much stronger a jaguar than a cougar.